I smelled something when I walked in, but
You doing that too?
Bro, it's him.
Yo, what the fuck?
You musty.
You musty. You stink.
Nigga. Bro,
You know what? I was gonna tell you, but I'm gonna tell you. You smell like dick, ass, and fucking balls. Your breath smell like a fucking trash can found on the motherfucking corner of the store behind Best Buy. Your fucking hair snappy. Your skin look fucking crazy. Look at your fucking hands. You got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hands. You be biting your nails till the motherfucking shit fall off. And you went to go pee earlier. You peed on yourself. You peed on your hands too. You didn't even go wash your fucking hands. You're fucking musty.
Besides the point, Kai, you're musty, okay? Just put some deodorant, bro. I got some deodorant.
Nigga, I use Native. Do you know what Native is?
Bro.
Do you know what Native?
Bro, I'm not even trying to be that